Okay, my Rodeo 3 here has now had a bulb swap and a ballast swap. It was originally that, but it's now a 250 watt mercury vapour. So now we're going to test it. Oh wow, it works too. And guess what? It works. Now, let's see how it works inside this fixture. It's glowing white at the moment, but it may change. There you go, it's starting to change to green. Might turn the main light off. Oh yeah, it's starting to change. It's now a mercury vapour Rodeo 3. Oh, I'm happy with this. So there you go, guys. Well, there you go. And here's the cool down.